Primed my face. Now I'm gonna move on to doing my brows. Lately I've been really liking the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil and the shade Dark Brown. I feel like it's really easy to do my brows this way, and I haven't been really into the whole like sharp cut crease brow. Just like drawing them straight, and so I just draw straight brow, as you can see. And I always do the end tail first, just to understand what shape I'm making. I'm going to find this part over here, and I like to line it up so I know where my brow stops in the front, and I just draw that in slightly with medium strokes. Then I'm going to use a spoolie brush and soften the front out. Let's see, last time I did like a pinkish, purplish look. So I guess I'm gonna go with more of like a gold-ish look. So I'm using the Morphe 35F palette, and it looks like this. And the first color I'm going to use is this color down here, right here. I'm going to apply it right all over my lid, specifically where the creases are, because I'm going to create some dimension here. So I'm going to start off here at the corner and then fluff it out, and then slowly bring it in with all the excess eyeshadow. Create that dimension here. And then I'm just going to bring it a little bit lower on my lid right here. Fluff it out. Awesome. So now that we have that down, I'm going to go ahead and add this dark color right here. This one. And I'm going to apply that with my ring finger. This is what it looks like when I swatch it. That. This color, it's very dark, and when I swatch it, this is what it looks like. It's a bronze color. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the outer corner of my eye. Lightly show you this. I'm going to pat it to apply a little bit, and then I'm going to slightly rub it in. Again, pat it in. Pat, 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 and stroke. Pat, 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 and stroke. And what I like to do is actually grab a fluffy brush, pointed fluffy brush like this, and slowly fluff it out, blend it out, and blend it slightly inwards to grab some of that pigment and drag it into the inner corner of my eye, just to get some of the shading but not too much of the darkness of it. Just like to do that. Put on as much as you want. Fluff it out along the way so then it doesn't create harsh lines, and you know how much you're putting on. So always put a little bit and then add more after that. Can't finish this look without a shimmer shade in the middle. The shimmer shade, I'm using this color over here at the right top left screen, or your right, this one right here. I'm gonna apply it onto the center of my lids, onto the center of my lids, like so. Oh, yes, tap it in there. Use your fingers as your tool. Just tap and make a swivel motion from left and right to apply as much as you want. Going to grab a teensy weensy brush and spray it with my Fix Plus and dip into that same color that I put in the mid center of my eye, and then apply that right in the inner corners. And oh baby, she's bright, merry and bright. Here we go. Now I have to put on some foundation. So for my foundation, of course, I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 332. Use my blending sponge. Now that I finished the foundation, I'm going to move on to highlighting. And today I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Lock-It Concealer Creme in the shade Warm M25. Love this concealer, and it's doe foot. It's really easy to handle. So I'm gonna apply that under my eye here. And my nose, more product here. Apply that above my lip. Then I'm going to take another mini beauty blender and going to blend. Aren't you guys excited for Christmas season? Like, is that your favorite holiday? Because it is mine. The presents are the things that make me happy. It's the decorations. And for example, when I walk into TJ Maxx, it's like the best thing. When I get to see all like little Christmas trees and ornaments and little pre-wrapped boxes. So now that we have put on the blush, as you can see here, rosy cheeked and all. So we are going to move on to, ow. I would like for us to move forward and apply some lashes. These lashes are from Eden Lashes, and I think they're in, I think they're called Heartbreaker. Cat is here. Hi, Jax. Hi, Jax. Hey. I've got the lashes on. Okay, excuse like the background noise. My cat is drinking out of a cup. So now we're moving on. I finished these lashes. I'm going to line my eyes real quick in the front. Lined my eyes, so I kind of want to make some rolls around here. I'm going to make one right here next to my eye. Just a medium-sized one right there. And maybe one over here. going to move on to our highlight. And for my highlight, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Palette. And the shade that I'm going to be dipping into today is Pink Heart and Blue Eyes. It's these two side ones. Powder that on. So you can see how it looks. Other side. Right here in the center of my nose bridge. Here on my chin. So let's take these clips out and show you the final look. This is the final look. Okay, that is a wrap, everyone. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to see me in my other social media, you can go ahead and click them down below in the description bar. And see you next time. Bye.